Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Craigslist account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in craigslist.org and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Craigslist website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, you can click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. After logging in, click on the same button at the top right corner and then click on settings to end up within your settings page. Now within this page, you will see the deactivate account option at the bottom. Go ahead and click on it and you will be asked whether you are sure to deactivate your account. Click on the button which says click here to continue and you will be asked to confirm by email. Click on the send account deactivation email button and just check your inbox and you will find an email from Craigslist. Once you open up this email, if you are sure that you want to delete your account, click on the link which says to click on it in order to complete the process. Once you click on this button, your account will be scheduled for deletion and it will be deactivated right away. You will also be logged out from your Craigslist account. And after this, if you don't log back in for another month, then your account will be permanently deleted. And there you have it. That is how you can go about in order to delete your account on Craigslist. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.